The entire journey of the Eastern wisdom is to unlock your true nature, the multidimensional you. Have to understand different layers, and once you understand the different layers, you also recognize that you are not the physical body, subtle body, the causal body. You are behind all the three bodies, a witness consciousness, a pure consciousness. And step by step learning under a teacher helps you to understand the layers of you. You explore your physical body, your subtle realm of thoughts and emotions, your deepest causal blueprint, the true core of your being. But then what happens? That limitedness present in the mind because of the delusion also goes. It drops. So when it drops, then what happens? You become unlimited. What is that being unlimited? You experience that you are complete, infinite, eternal, one consciousness. That is what our masters have envisioned for each individual. So we have to recognize we are not just the physical body. It doesn't mean that I should drop it. I know this is not my house, finished. So you possess subtle layers of the mind, emotion, deeper causal blueprint. I'm none of them. Learn to discern reality from the cosmic and individual illusions that often cloud our judgment. That is the way to discover our true nature as the unchanging witness. Imagine an iceberg. The physical tip is what everyone sees. Beneath the surface is the vast subtle body, a complex system of currents and hidden dynamics, your thought, feeling, and energies. And at the very bottom, connected to the ocean floor, is the causal root, the foundation holding all the potential in the history. Your deepest essence, the blueprint that determines the iceberg form and trajectory.